All right, so right now it's mid-August, and this is a snowboard that my kid rented or leased for the 2023-2024 winter. When they gave it to him, it's a brand new snowboard, and we said, "Wow, that's awesome." You can see there the bottom; it's totally not been used. And when I got home with it, we realized why he got a brand new snowboard. And the answer is there's a little bit of damage to it. They probably couldn't sell it last year. Doesn't affect the way the board works. But if you look at the very front, right there in the corner, there's a chip. There's a chip in the top layer of the board. All right, so anyway, the answer is because this is broken. Let me swing this around, I'll show you. So I'll see if I can find some tape. Just kind of go around the edge here. Make a little dam. Then I'll see if I can maybe make it vertical. Let's see if I could stand this up. So that. All right, so I got it jacked up over here on a Home Depot bucket. Okay, so I put a piece of plexiglass under there. I got some of this Tyvek tape. I'm just going to mask it off a little bit. Never mind. Let's see. Okay, good enough. I just gotta get something right there in the curve. That might do it. Okay. That should do it. Maybe I'll mix up a little grayish epoxy. See if I can put it in there. So let me grab some epoxy. I have this trans tint ink in black. And if I put like one drop in with some epoxy, maybe it'll make it grayish. Let's see. Okay, so I have this West System epoxy. And the 207 hardener. mix 1 pump of each into here. I switched it into this right here. 1 pump of each. Ah, 2 drops. Only wanted 1. Alright, too dark. So, let's see. Give it a try. And try to slightly overfill it, but not too much. Alright, so for right now, that's it. Alright, here's where we are now. Solid as a rock. So let's take off the plastic, we'll see what it looks like. to be, but whatever. Oh, damn it. It's not cured. Oh, I'm pissed off. I'm pissed off. Haste makes waste, baby. Well, it's stupid fashion. Because this is contained, this is cured, that's not cured. So when you heat it, it evens it out a little better. So we'll see what happens. It's not dry, obviously. It is now 10 o'clock at night. We'll look at it tomorrow morning. I'm not doing this again tonight. Idiot I am. And right now it's the next morning. This better be dry. Alright, dry. Alright, it's dry. Let's see if I can peel this off without ruining it. Now, if you remember, 2 drops dropped in there. I really only wanted to use 1 to make it gray. But I'm thinking maybe when I sand it, it'll definitely go from shiny to more in the grayish. Let's see what happens. Alright, that worked out okay. I don't like the edges, not great. But let's see. Let me take a little sandpaper. We'll see what I could do. I could use something pretty fine, maybe like a little piece of something. Okay, it's way too high. I need a little bit higher grade sandpaper. It's 400. So after a lot of sanding, here's where we wound up. It's relatively flush with the surface of the board. There's no lip anyplace. The problem is, if you clean off the sanding dust, it's definitely darker than the surrounding area. Right now there's still sanding dust on there. I took a little bit of this. A little bit of this. This base coat color I just happen to have in my house from painting my my Toyota, what is it? My Honda Odyssey. It's like a grayish, dark grayish color. So I took a little bit, you remember it was black, and it was too black. So I took a little bit of the lighter base coat right there. I just feathered it on a little bit on the end. I made sure to cover up the Panda. I put a little bit of gray on top of it. And I believe it's completely hidden. Here, let's look from the front. But